Alright, for you guys that's wanting to know how this cup holder on a 17 Ford Fusion with ambient light working, I already took it apart. So I was going to say, oh, you're going to avoid the warranty. Well, this I'm adding an upgrade to. But the piece that lights up on the vehicle is this part here. So I still have yet to figure out how this little clear piece lights up. I'm assuming there's a light that I believe I got for the front end of the center console. So you got your cup holder, then you got your little cubby hole up front here where that 12 volt outlet, I believe that little part here shines a light like inside of there and it lights this up. I have yet to figure that out. But for you guys that's wanting to know how it's made, that's all it is. Plastic. You got this thing here. Then you got your little cup holder. That little band, that's what holds those little tabs, if that's what you guys wanted to know. Because I thought the same thing, that, oh, this is the ambient lighting. No, that's for this piece here to keep the tension onto it. So it just kind of fits on just like so. And this is just held on by a couple little T bits every here. I believe one there, one there, one there, and one there. For those guys that's wanting to buy a cup holder with ambient lighting, here's the part number of it. This will only work with a 17 Ford Fusion. 13 to 16 Ford Fusion, they take a different cup holder. So if yours is a 13 to a 16 Fusion, this part number, it will not fit your vehicle. That's just how it looks. That's a little ambient lighting. Yeah, I got it kind of covered up a little bit, but that's what it looks like.